In this video, I'm going to show you how to add text on Framer in the fastest and easiest way possible. If you're building a website in Framer, adding text is one of the first things you need to know, whether you want to create headings, body text, labels, or simple content blocks. The good news is that Framer makes this process very simple, and in just a few clicks, you can place text anywhere on your page and start customizing it to fit your design. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Framer tips and easy website building guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Framer project. Once your project is loaded, make sure you're on the page where you want to add your text. This could be your home page, a landing page, or any section of your design where you want to place new content. Now, here's the quickest method. On your keyboard, press the T key. This is the shortcut for adding text in Framer, and it instantly switches you into text mode. After pressing T, click anywhere on the page where you want your text to appear. Framer will place a text box right at that spot, ready for you to type. Now simply type the text you want to add. You can enter a short headline, a sentence, a button label, or any custom text that fits your layout. As soon as you type, the text appears on the canvas, and you can see it in real time. If needed, you can click and drag the text to reposition it anywhere on the page. You can also adjust the size, font, alignment, color, and spacing using Framer's style controls, so the text matches the rest of your design. That's really all there is to it. Open your project, press T, click on the page, and type your text. It's a simple workflow, but once you get used to it, it becomes one of the fastest ways to build pages in Framer. If you want to keep improving your Framer skills, remember that text is just the beginning. You can combine it with buttons, images, sections, and animations to create a much more polished website. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you want more Framer beginner guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.